Surfer SEO versus Scalenut, which offers better keyword research? Let's dive straight into the question that most people wonder when looking into both tools. Which one offers better keyword research? Well, you're in the right place to find out because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which software is more suited to your needs and why I'm recommending an alternative. Now, both Surfer SEO and Scalenut have their merits, but when it comes to keyword research, they each approach it in different ways. Surfer SEO is a highly technical tool built for serious SEO professionals. The platform's keyword research tool focuses on the data side of things. It's all about numbers, metrics, and understanding SCRP volatility. You get a deep dive into keyword difficulty, search intent, and a ton of other data points that can help inform your strategy. Next thing, Scalenut, on the other hand, is more about accessibility. It offers a more streamlined experience with its AI-driven features. Scalenut is great if you're looking for something that doesn't overwhelm you with too many metrics. It gives you keyword suggestions based on user intent and topics, making it easier for beginners or those who don't want to get bogged down in the technical aspects. But here's where it gets interesting. While Surfer SEO offers a ton of granular data, it can be a bit overwhelming if you're not an SEO expert. The steep learning curve may be a turnoff for some. It provides keyword clusters and can break down the SERPs with impressive depth, but you might find yourself buried in information. It's powerful, but it requires time and effort to get the most out of it. The fourth thing, Scalenut simplifies the process, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's the best for every SEO strategy. It uses AI to suggest content ideas, identify trending keywords, and even create outlines for your content. This is great if you're looking to streamline your process and focus on content creation rather than just the keyword data. However, its keyword research isn't as advanced as Surfer SEO's in terms of detailed analysis. Now, comparing both for practical use, Surfer SEO excels in its ability to provide comprehensive data, ideal for those who want to get deep into the weeds of SEO. But let's not forget, this is a tool built for advanced users. If you're someone who doesn't want to spend too much time deciphering data, you may find Scalenut more user-friendly. At this point, you're probably wondering, which one should I choose? Here's the truth, while both tools are solid for keyword research, Surfer SEO is better suited for experts who want in-depth analysis and data. But if you're someone who values ease of use, AI-powered insights, and a quicker workflow, Scalenut is the better option for you. However, after trying both of these myself, I have to say, there's a better alternative if you're really serious about getting the best results for your keyword research. That's why I'm recommending you check out the first link in the description below. By using our link, you'll get access to an exclusive free trial and additional benefits only available to our viewers. This tool is a game changer for anyone who wants to do keyword research faster, easier, and more effectively. In the end, whether you go with Surfer SEO or Scalenut, both are good tools, but I highly recommend you give the tool in the description a try.